Hi everybody, and welcome back to the MetaTailor YouTube channel. Today we are continuing our educational series on focusing and honing in on specific elements of MetaTailor to make sure you are using it to its full potential. Today's video is about importing a vest. So stick around, make sure you like and subscribe down below to see more videos like this one, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, here we are in MetaTailor. We've already got an avatar loaded. Let's go ahead and import something. Here's our home key, our design. Here's our import button. We're going to choose cloth and accessory. And you'll notice that the acceptable file types are FBX, OBJ, MTA, GLTF, GLB. We're going to be using FBXs, and we're going to bring in a vest. Let's go ahead and bring in this vest right here. And it starts out by showing you the actual item itself. This has the color attached to it. Sometimes if you set that color up in Maya, it'll remember that and transfer that over to MetaTailor, which makes life a lot easier. You can see how many meshes there are, and you can see how many different materials there are if it had multiple UVs. You can change your hue, saturation, value, but remember, these changes don't export out of MetaTailor yet. So any changes you add in here are just in the engine itself. So you can see we've got our color attached. Let's go ahead and add a normal map. And I can see there's a metallic map as well. So we'll add both of those. Now this is like a combat vest. You can see it's got a little extra detail. It's like something you'd see on a sci-fi character or a slightly more futuristic character, not something you'd see around now. This vest also works for just plain old shirt vests, because this is where we choose it. You can see it just shows a regular vest, but this is more like a bulletproof vest, so I thought that would be interesting. For something like this, you could also use backpack, but I'm going to use vest for this one. If you wanted to, you can hit keep source dimensions, but it's super tiny, so I'm going to leave that as it is and hit next step. Now this is where we kind of place it in the right spot for our character. We're going to go ahead and scale this down, pull it up, and just kind of get it into position over our character, around our character. That's pretty good. We'll scale it down some more, pull up. And you only have to hit about a 60% match, and MetaTailor will do the rest for us. It takes this dumb mesh and turns it into a MetaTailor smart mesh. It gets it to match and sit on your avatar. All right, there we go. That's pretty good. Confirm. If you needed to pose match, you could. Let's say I wanted to put this from a T pose to an A pose because it's in a T-shirt. It has that option, or change the sizes of some of these limbs. The closer you get the gizmos together in the pose match, the shorter and thinner the arms will get. But I don't really need to do anything with this one, so I can go ahead and just hit next step and let MetaTailor do its magic. It applies it to our character, and it works perfectly. It sits there. It can work in the stack and our dynamic layers, and it's ready to go. We've got a really cool vest. Let's say this vest was turned around. If I wanted to, I can come in here, spin that around 180 degrees, hit confirm. I wanted that to be the back and this to be the front. Either way, it's got a strange gap. It just works. It still remembers all that tailoring. It's still matched to our pose, matched to our body. It rearranges that for us, and there you have it. We imported a vest. And that's it for this video. Hopefully this either answered a question or taught you something new about MetaTailor, because it's such a powerful program that has so much potential that you are able to do everything you need to do within it. So thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like and subscribe down below to see more videos like this one. And that's it. Get out of here. Go get dressed. Bye, everybody.